Hello and welcome to another update video about Bonk. Bonk has pushed a little bit higher since yesterday's update. You might remember from yesterday's video that I explained that we are likely going to see the price get into the resistance area next, okay? And the price has also pushed a little bit higher. It's just that, you know, in terms of probabilities, what's the next likely magnet for the price to get to? And it is this Fibonacci retracement area, or let's call it resistance area, because it's based on Fibonacci extensions. What's the structure here? I mean, the idea is that we are following the idea that possibly a larger wave 2 bottomed here. That was the low of the 5th of July. Not entirely convinced. It's also possible it bottomed here, but then this is a big mess. So it's cleaner to count it as completed here. Actually, I need to just shift the C wave over here as well. So it's what is just important to understand is, look, we have a 5-wave move up into the May highs. That was one of the few coins here which actually produced an upside impulse, and then a corrective pullback into the main support region. Okay, if the low is here or here, doesn't matter so much. It will matter along the way, but basically this double bottom introduces a lot of uncertainty, but still for this main wave 2, the 161484 support area level is relevant. That's really the main level. So even if we form another low below the Friday low, this is the main level. It could still reset a little bit lower. At the moment, we've been, however, in the very short term, been watching for higher prices, given that we've been able to identify a first micro 5-wave move up into the Saturday high, 6th of July, so just a few days ago, and then a corrective pullback forming a higher low into this micro support region, which is defined between 192573 and 14993. And no, 214993. So, and from here we expected a reversal. That reversal seems to be unfolding. Now we just need to see, okay, is it sustainable? Is it a sustainable reversal? Is it actually something that that lasts? And to be something that lasts, in the next step I need to have a 5-wave pattern that unfolds as per the yellow wave count. So we could now be in the 3rd wave. It could be something more bearish, but as long as it's reaching the 1.38 extension or higher at 287,250, I can overall maintain some confidence in the idea that the larger wave 2 might indeed have bottomed. So that's the first ideal target for a 3rd wave, as I said, and once we've arrived there, we can watch for a pullback. I will be able to give you the next support region for the 4th wave. And if we then form one more high, we have 5 waves up, and I can give you again the next support region, okay? And so we're dancing with these Fibonacci levels and Fib areas, and it's been following it quite nicely. Obviously, you cannot predict every single wave, but overall, the idea that we should get at least to the resistance area was correct, and we still seem to be pushing higher. I mean, there is no sign of a top in place here, but what I don't want to see before getting to that 1.38 extension, I don't want to see a break below that swing low here from the, well, is that the, that's the intraday low pretty much. I mean, I don't want to get a break below 237479. Okay, so we should really hold that in order to keep the overall upside pressure alive. That's my update about Bonk. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.